Professor Indrani Bhaduri, CEO and Head Parak, National Council of Education Research and Training, NCRT, continues to be with us in the studio. Ma'am, what would you say about the subjects that Prime Minister Narendra Modi chose this time? Definitely, the conversations today went beyond the examination and classroom setting, so to say.
Very true. And so beautifully, I think Prime Minister Narendra Modi brings out and tells not just the students but all of us that what is important is learning from what you live and living what you learn. And this is what the entire essence is.
Yes.
How as a child, not only as a child, even everybody.
Yeah, there was a phrase he said, creating a life you want to live.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. So the community participation, the involvement of the community, rather breaking the walls of the school and taking schools to the community is what is important. And if you see Narendra Modi ji, every child is saying that whatever he said is very meaningful, very relatable. So how is it that he is making it meaningful and relatable to the child? Because he is taking the examples from the daily life. He is taking the examples from their immediate environment. So that is how it becomes more acceptable as a child to me.
Yes. Would you also agree with the assertion that much of the wisdom that Prime Minister Modi imparted to the students also very aptly applies to parents and teachers, perhaps to everyone in life? We are also learning to live. Like last time, I remember in the first episode of Pariksha Pe Charcha, he said, forget your past. Started with today, with your ambitions, with your goals, reset. So in fact, all of us can learn in some way or the other from Pariksha Pe Charcha.
Very true. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision of Viksit Bharat, and he is, through the children, he is kind of telling all of us that everybody can contribute, needs to contribute for this Viksit Bharat, and it is something that even a small contribution will go a long way if all of us do that. That is what he tells one child, that you take the lead. You tell not if somebody throws litter, don't tell him to pick it up. You pick it up so that he feels that yes, I have done something wrong. I shouldn't have done this. So examination, they are sporadic, but this endurance to perceive, to better ourselves, that is lifelong, and that is what he's telling everybody.